One of the most persistent illusions in recent years has been the belief, peddled with increasing desperation by a coterie of social media cheerleaders, that Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is destined to become the next president of Zimbabwe. Zadambira mashoko kudai panapa aiwa pa X namapuranga uya vachikomenta pamusoro penhau iri kutsviridza iri kutenderera vanhu vachiti VP Constantino Chiwenga is going to stop the 2030 agenda, is going to be the next president of Zimbabwe. Don't was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timira pendo pake amdanira achiti, I say this not out of malice, but from a sober reading of the political terrain. As a political scientist and someone who has observed the inner workings of Zimbabwe's power matrix for decades, I can confidently assert that the presidency is not a reward for past deeds, nor is it a military entitlement. It is a product of political legitimacy, national consensus, and strategic timing, none of which currently align in Chiwenga's favor. The narrative that Chiwenga is the heir apparent has been aggressively amplified by a handful of social media personalities, Lynn Stasia, Majara Jeros, Mviringa Hosaya, and Chipomusaroro, among them, who have built entire digital personas around the fantasy of a Chiwenga president. But the truth is, their time is expired. The script they've been reading from is outdated, their influence waning, and their messaging increasingly out of touch with their political mood of the nation. The center of gravity has shifted. The levers of power are no longer in the barracks, they are in the boardrooms, the party structures, and the corridors of civilian governance. Moreover, the idea that Zimbabweans, after decades of struggle for democratic civilian rule, would willingly embrace a militarized presidency is not only a historical, it is politically naive. The electorate is not clamoring for a uniformed savior. They are demanding stability, economic recovery, and continuity. And in that equation, Chiwenga is not the answer. Zimbabwe's future will not be written by hashtags or those clinging to expired ambitions. It will be shaped by those who understand the system, command legitimacy, and have patience and political capital to lead. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyogwa panguva ino ne-this person ari kuchikomenda pamusoro pemastruggles ari kuitika with the ruling party pamwechete nemuzimbabwe at large, achiti vakomada, yes, but panguva inoi tiri kuona kuti aiwa nhau dze-leadership panguva inoi hadzichanyanyi zvadzo kuchuziwa kumabarracks, but mumaboardrooms muchiitwa mameetings, muchiitwa mareassignments nezvimwe zvakadaro, ndo muri kunyatsonatsa kuti ndo muri kuitwa mechanism dzese dzekuselecta maleaders. Saka nyika yeZimbabwe imbotidzai mafungiro enyu todii pamusoro pe-clash iripo between these two sides. Rimwe side kusapota VP Constantino Chiwenga, rimwe sapota 2030. Nenda comment section medu mudza mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.